how to use SoDoI and NeitherDoI through dialogues and quiz. I like learning English. So do I. Me too. I don't like doing the shopping. Neither do I. Nor do I. I don't either. Me neither. I am angry. So am I. Me too. I am not hungry. Neither am I. Nor am I. I am not either. Me neither. I can swim like a fish, which means swim very well. So can I. Me too. I can't eat too much sugar. Neither can I, nor can I. I can't either. Me neither. I should do sport regularly. So should I. Me too. I must do my homework. So must I. Me too. I don't have to go to school on Sunday. Neither do I, nor do I. I don't either. Me neither. I bought a loaf of bread yesterday. So did I. Me too. I didn't wear a dress yesterday. Neither did I, nor did I. I didn't either. Me neither. I was at home 2 hours ago. So was I. Me too. I wasn't at the cinema last week. Neither was I, nor was I. I wasn't either. Me neither. I will go on holiday next week. So will I. Me too. I won't do the washing tomorrow. Neither will I, nor will I. I won't either. Me neither. I would take a break if I were you. So would I. Me too. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Neither would I, nor would I. I wouldn't either. Me neither. I have drunk coffee. So have I. Me too. I haven't slept well. Neither have I, nor have I. I haven't either. Me neither. I could go there. So could I. Me too. I couldn't eat that soup. It was disgusting. Neither could I, nor could I. I couldn't either. Me neither. Quiz. Quiz time. Question number 1. I am happy. I am happy. What will the other person reply? So am I. So am I. Me too. Me too. Question number 2. I can't drive a car. I can't drive a car. What will the other person reply? Neither can I. Nor can I. I can't either. Me neither. Question number 3. I bought a new dress yesterday. I bought a new dress yesterday. What will the other person reply? So did I. So did I. Me too. Me too. Question number 4. I am not lazy. I am not lazy. What will the other person reply? Neither am I. Nor am I. I am not either. Me neither. Question number 5. I shouldn't stay up late. I shouldn't stay up late. What will the other person reply? Neither should I. Nor should I. I shouldn't either. Me neither. Question number 6. I really like chocolate. I really like chocolate. What will the other person reply? So do I. So do I. Me too. Me too. Question number 7. I wasn't at work last week. I wasn't at work last week. What will the other person reply? Neither was I, nor was I. I wasn't either. Me neither. Question number 8. I don't smoke. I don't smoke. What will the other person reply? Neither do I, nor do I. I don't either. Me neither. Question number 9. I can speak English. I can speak English. What will the other person reply? So can I. So can I. Me too. Me too. Question number 10. I will drink tea in 5 minutes' time. I will drink tea in 5 minutes' time. What will the other person reply? So will I. So will I. Me too. Me too. Thank you for watching. Learn English online with us. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.